Hello there guys, as many of you know, World Cup 2018 Russia has already began and is streaming live on different TV channels, sports channels across the world. Which if you don't, you're probably not in it right now, but if you do, here's why we're here today. That is, for some reason you might not be able to watch the World Cup, either you're away from home or what, so it doesn't mean you should miss your favorite things. So what if you could watch it on your mobile, on your device, and that'd be great. Today we're gonna explain you how you can do that. But before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click on that bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. And with that being said, let's get started. We're using an app named LIVENETTV, and we're gonna show you how you're gonna download that app. This app allows you to watch like live TV channels across the world right on your device, and it's absolutely free, no paid subscription. All you have to do is check out the description, and you'll find a link that looks like this. So you just have to click on it, and it will take you to a website, and in that website you'll find out the information about LIVENETTV. It's an app that provides you many channels for you to watch, and you'll see the steps of how you can download it, and their versions also different. Download the latest one, click on download, and it will take you to the website. Now, here's the tricky part: you have to wait 5 seconds. And if it shows any pop-ups, just ignore them. Ignore any pop-ups like this. Ignore them, and then just click on skip this ad. Just click on skip this ad. If it takes you to any other website like this, Gelaton or whatever, just go back, because you want to go to mediafire.com, not any other one. Now have you gone to Mediafire, and then just scroll down and go to the download. Just click on it, and the download should start. And okay, just go okay with it, and it should start, and you'll see that the download is already starting, and it should be downloaded. Now you can actually access it and install it, and this app requires you to have like one of the supported video players on your device. It's supposed probably 9 or something like that, but I say that MX Player is the best that is supposed. You can also download MX Player from that website, from the link we gave you from the description. You can download MX Player from there, and the first startup, it should look like this, and when it enters, you will see that all the channels across the world divided into like categories based on region, like Indonesia, Canada, or based on categories like news and sports. And say we want to watch the World Cup, right? So let's go to sports and see. You can access any sports channel. The Asian ones, Bain Sports, and Real Madrid, ESPN, 7, blah blah blah, NBA, and they're all of them here. Sky Sports. Okay, I don't have time to count all of them. Now let's go up and say for the World Cup, we should go to like what? 10 Sports 2. Okay, it's also supposed to be Asian channels. And when you click on one of them, you might see 2 links. See multiple links. Click on any one of the link, or you can try out both the links and see which one's most favorable. When I do that, it might show you some ads. Okay, don't mind the ads, just cut it off. Okay, it's just what the, and see, you'll ask you to choose a player. Okay, I'll choose MX Player, but mind it, you must have MX Player installed on your device. Next we go, and it should take a time, and it should just start it. Start recording it, and you can see that I can watch the World Cup right here, and without any like, I'm watching it without any like bufferings. But if it buffers for you, you can just go back and take another link or click on another channel. You must have a very decent good internet connection. So guys, that's all. Hope the video helped you. If it did, just hit the like button and comment if you want to do anything for you. That's all. Hope you guys liked it. Subscribe, hit the bell icon to stay tuned, and that's all. Hope you guys